The trial of Workers' Party leader Pritam Singh resumed on Monday, following a lunch break. Singh is facing 2 charges of lying to a parliamentary committee about his handling of former WP Member of Parliament Raeesah Khan's 2021 admission that she had lied in Parliament regarding a false anecdote of sexual assault case. The charges stem from an investigation by the Committee of Privileges, which reviewed the circumstances surrounding Khan's falsehood. Testifying as a prosecution witness, WP cadre member Yudhishthra Nathan was questioned by Singh's defense lawyer, Andre Jumaboy, focusing on a redacted message sent by Nathan to Khan on 12 October 2021. In this message, Nathan advised Khan to not give too many details, at most apologize for the fact of not having her age accurate. The defense contended that this advice encouraged Khan to continue lying, which Nathan had withheld by redacting the message from his submission to the COP. During cross-examination, Jumaboy pressed Nathan on why the message was redacted, arguing that it was relevant to the COP's inquiry. "Do you not think that the COP would be interested that confidant, the man behind the scenes, was telling her to continue to lie?" Jumaboy asked. Nathan disagreed with this interpretation, stating, "I felt the message was immaterial, as it was sent after the key instances when Khan lied in Parliament, on 3 August and 4 October 2021. Nathan admitted under questioning that his advice to Khan could be seen as encouraging her to withhold the truth, but maintained that the COP was investigating events before 12 October 2021. "Given the specific context of the message when I sent it, yes, I did think that was immaterial at that time," Nathan said, defending his decision to redact the message. Jumaboy pushed further, suggesting that Nathan redacted the message because it shows you in a bad light. In response, Nathan conceded, "I partially agree. I think if people understood my state of mind when I had sent that message then, they might have come to a different conclusion." At one point, Nathan stated he believed the COP was primarily interested in the role of WP leaders concerning Khan's lie in Parliament. The defense also questioned Nathan about whether he had discussed the redaction process with Loh Pei-ying, another WP member, despite clear instructions from Parliament not to discuss evidence related to the COP. Jumaboy asked, "And you leave Parliament and you do exactly that?" Nathan admitted, "At that point of time, yes," acknowledging that he had spoken to Loh about which messages to redact. As the session progressed, Jumaboy applied to the court for access to Nathan's redacted messages, along with explanations for the redactions. He argued that these messages were essential to assess the credibility of Nathan and Loh's testimonies, given their close relationships with Khan. "I'm not here to challenge the findings of the COP. These witnesses' credibility is very much an issue," Jumaboy said. He suggested that Nathan and Loh were acting independently of WP leadership and might have encouraged Khan to lie, rather than merely following instructions. Deputy Attorney General Cheng Hock fiercely opposed the application, asserting that the redacted messages were not relevant to the charges Singh faces. DAG gave the court his assurance that there was no need to see the redacted text in question, which had absolutely no relevance to the present case. "Nothing in those messages that have been redacted go to any of those truths," DAG stated, pointing out that Singh's charges pertain to events in August and early October 2021, while the redacted messages were from after these dates. He argued that the defense was trying to shift focus to the integrity of the COP's process, rather than addressing the specifics of Singh's charges. However, Judge Tan mentioned the principle that the general practice is to allow the defense to see what has been redacted, even if the redacted version ends up being used in court. Despite the prosecution's objections, Deputy Principal District Judge Luke Tan acknowledged that the credibility of the witnesses, including Nathan, was crucial to the case. The judge noted that the messages in question, though sent after 4 October 2021, might still shed light on Nathan and Loh's roles in the events leading up to their meeting with Pritam Singh on 12 October 2021. This meeting, according to testimony from both Nathan and Loh, was when Singh allegedly told Khan he would not judge her, regardless of whether she continued to maintain her lie or came clean to Parliament. The issue of their credibility, especially leading up to the 12th, and even on the 12th, is an issue, because it goes to whether their evidence is to be believed or not, Judge Tan said. He added that he would need to review both the redacted and unredacted versions of the messages, as well as the reasons given for the redactions, before making a decision on the question of relevance. The AG then promised to prepare and place the redacted and non-redacted version before the judge by 5:15 p.m. The hearing concluded with the court set to reconvene at 11 a.m. the following day. Both the defense and prosecution will present their arguments regarding the relevance of Nathan's redacted messages and their impact on the credibility of the witnesses.